Man, I've been drinking out of this here mason jar for quite a while now. And I'm a bit uncomfortable with your technology, man. And I got this here light shining in my face, man, and it's not making me too comfortable, man. I get a little stage fright.
I think you hitting that mason jar a little too hard.
I get sipping on my mason jar, and I don't really keen what's going on, man. All I know is this here mason jar. It's like my lifeblood, man. I keen that. I keen that. So, ma'am, there's one thing I keen. Get that goddamn camera out of my face. There's one thing I keen. It's my mason jar. So, I just want to keen if you emptied your little hand. Because I know you got the big hand.
I use the little hand to what?
Well, that's all I needed to keen. As long as I keen that. You sir, with your technology. Get that back out of my face.
You're breaking the fourth wall.
You're breaking the fourth wall. Breaking the fourth wall.
All right. High five, asshole.
Yeah.